Hey guys, welcome back to the another Arduino project video, and today we'll be making this cool music reactive LED strip project using Arduino Uno. So let's get started. The components you need for this project are Arduino Uno, a breadboard, sound sensor module, one transistor of BC54 series, one resistor of value greater than 220 ohm, we will be using 1 kilo ohm here, and one 12 volt LED strip along with 12 volt LED strip driver, which you can use for more power, but it is not mandatory. Other important tools you need for this project are power supply for Arduino, screwdriver, one prototype shield for Arduino Uno, which I am using just to make things simple. But if you don't have the shield, don't worry, just go ahead with normal circuit connections. And last but not the least, one USB cable for Arduino. Place the prototype shield over Arduino and then breadboard over prototype shield. As I have already mentioned, if you don't have this shield, don't worry, just go ahead with normal circuit connections. You can download this circuit from the link given in the description below. To make these kind of projects more reliable, you can use PCBs instead of breadboard. I recommend JLC PCB, the most popular PCB prototype company of China, for all your electronics project. They provide all kind of prototype PCBs, as complicated as 6-layer PCB and as simple as 2-layer PCB, 10 pieces for just $2 and stencils for $6 per piece. So what are you waiting for? Just upload your Gerber file and you're good to go. So for connections, place transistor onto the breadboard and then sound sensor module. Connect sensor module to Arduino as shown in circuit diagram. To omit the loose connections, connect jumper wires ahead of LED strip. Orange one is positive terminal and black one is negative. Now connect remaining terminals of transistor to Arduino as shown in circuit diagram. Connect positive terminal of LED strip to V-in pin of Arduino and negative terminal to collector terminal of the transistor. Let's look at the code now. First, we are reading digital data from the sound sensor, and if this received digital data is 1, then LED strip should be on, else LED strip should be off. Simple as that. Upload the code to your Arduino board. Now the most important part of this project is calibrating the sound sensor. For that purpose, I have connected it to the Arduino using male to female jumper wires. There are two LEDs on sound sensor board. L1 indicates that the sensor is powered, whereas L2 indicates the digital output. Right now it is off. That means 0 output to Arduino. So you have to rotate it clockwise till L2 indicates 1. But for frequent response to sound and for this project, you have to rotate it to the point where it is just off. So this is the optimum position of the potentiometer. So guys, as promised, I'm giving away 2 of these LED strips to my 2 lucky subscribers, and to participate in this giveaway, you have to just comment down below. Results will be posted on the community tab after 2 weeks from now. So that was all for today. I hope you like this video. I'll see you next time.